Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Can you have two Kraken accounts? Now, before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and talk about why this question is even important. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and having multiple accounts can be beneficial for a number of reasons. For example, you might want to separate your personal and business finances, or you might want to use different accounts for different trading strategies. So, can you have two Kraken accounts? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. First, you can only have one verified account per person. This means that you can't use the same name, address, or email address to create multiple accounts. However, you can create multiple unverified accounts. Second, each account will have its own separate balance, trading history, and fee structure. This means that you can't transfer funds between accounts or use the same trading strategies on both accounts. Third, Kraken may restrict your ability to create multiple accounts if they believe that you are doing so for a fraudulent purpose. So, now that we know the basics, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of having multiple Kraken accounts. Pros. Separate your personal and business finances. Use different trading strategies. Avoid paying fees on large transactions. Increase your trading limits. Cons. More complicated to manage. Increased risk of security breaches. May be restricted by Kraken. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to have multiple Kraken accounts is up to you. If you think that it would be beneficial for you, then go ahead and create one. However, be sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. In conclusion, having multiple Kraken accounts is possible, but there are a few things you need to be aware of. If you're considering creating multiple accounts, be sure to do your research and weigh the pros and cons carefully. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.